working here.
Yeah, working so hard.
More, honey.
Why is it not sweet enough for you, the baby? Not sweet enough.
Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Put honey in that.
I feel like I'm in a virtual reality.
Thing, that's what it looks like.
Oh, I thought your head was down. Just realized that you're just looking down.
What?
You're looking down. I thought that was your head already about to get to work. But it was just your chin to your chest and then the helmet. Kids are just coming out of underneath our bus back there.
Watch your bare feet.
Watch my feet.
I'm telling you, you better
Tom was welding the other day and it did not go anywhere, so you're making me nervous.
You better be.
Thank you for your input. What are you doing?
Figuring it out, honey.
Stay over here.
Was that supposed to melt? Somebody's enjoying watching George.
Minor adjustments.
Yeah, you. Don't touch it, punk.
Can you give me a tissue, please? Oh, you got that. Would be nice.
What are you making?
A pillow.
A pillow?
Pillow.
What are you making?
I'm making a pillow for one of our cousins.
You can make it for your Baby Alive doll with all the fabric she's collected. Naked Barbie doll. Why didn't the Barbie doll have clothes on? Want a naked Barbie?
Skipper.
Oh, I had one for you.
Oh.
Don't use the whole thing. You fold that up. We need to get tissues.
Oh,
How much fabric do you have? Oh.
Even a bunch of stuff. I have this much.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna crack. Get out. Oh, snap. He proved me wrong. He proved me wrong. Alright, 3/4 inch ply on small supports. We'll hold a, how much do you weigh?
210.
What? No. Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were 220.
No, we talked about this a few days ago.
I don't remember. Wait, do it again.
You get on it.
No. No. Maybe.
I want to see a bunch of bows. Chicken Corgi, toss it.
Am I spread loading?
You're getting on.
Yeah, but am I spread loading when I...
Tuck my feet back in just in case. Don't go under her if that breaks.
Yeah, I'm testing.
Stop! I'm gonna crush you! Throw it in the trash.
No, you didn't.
I didn't, but I don't want to. Cool.
Ready to go under.
Yeah, it's a 3/4 inch piece of ply. It's like really sturdy.
I stepped off our own ledge.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god,
We'll drop that down, and we've got a huge bed now.
A huge bed. Who wants to come
Bigger
visit
than our
us?
bed.
We'll sleep up here sometimes.
It'll be a nice bed.
There. And he put a
I
towel
remember
up.
when I was younger
He was like,
watching a lot of movies that had the axe happening. And it not facing us.
Toss, toss.
No. Toss, toss.
Okay, toss, toss.
Right, that was good. Toss, toss. It's got to go above your head. Look at that's not a good toss. Your left hand's not a good toss. Your left hand, toss it up here.
That has to be a movie.
That was better. That was better. So that's what you got to practice. Then, once you can do that,
Oh my God! I think I caught that on camera. He was scared.
Toss, no. No, toss, toss. This, no. Go with the other hand now. This one's first.
Okay.
Toss. No, you got to scoop and go. I'm not ready for that.
Oh, okay.
But you have to have the right.
Can you still do the unicycle?
I could. I haven't done it in a while.
Did you still have it?
I still do have it. I think it's in storage, yeah.
You have one or two?
Just
I
one.
remember you have the mini and the big one.
No, I don't have it in small one. That's harder to ride.
Hop chip, I just did both of them.
Good, let me see. Toss, toss. Oh, and caught him? All right.
Hey, let the cloth go. That's a good indicator everyone can see you.
Oh, he's carrying stuff.
Yeah.
You're mean.
Brothers for.
You're definitely the annoying little brother.
Hey God, look at it. Happy morning, happy morning, happy.